Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So, today I thought of doing a video on DIY hair oil, that is, hair oil which is infused with herbs and has got a lot of nutrients. Keep watching if you want to see this till the end. And till that time, anyone who is not a part of the Health Delicious family and wants to keep seeing these videos, then please subscribe to my channel so that you keep getting the updates. Make sure to watch my previous two videos on how collagen, biotin, and essential oils can benefit you in your skin, your hair, and your health. That's it. Let's jump right in. First of all, you need to take some coconut oil. Now, here I've taken this coconut oil, that is parachute coconut oil. That's really good and it's readily available, and it's good for all DIYs. Next, I have taken a cast iron. I have soaked in some oil for at least 24 hours so that there is some blackening in the oil, so that when I put the oil, I will get like good black hair. Next, I have taken some hibiscus flowers, and I have also taken some curry leaves. I have soaked them in the oil for about 30 minutes, and then I have put it on the gas. I have put the flame on extremely low, and I'm letting the oil simmer. Now, you can also hear that the oil is simmering. Don't increase the flame at all, and let the oil keep simmering and getting all the nutrients of the herbs in the oil. Also, if you want, you can cover this and let it simmer. I'm not covering it. I'm letting it simmer as it is, and let the oil get infused with all the nutrients that are present in the curry leaves and the hibiscus flowers. Now, here you can see that the oil has been made. I have switched off the gas, and the oil has cooled down. Now, you can let the curry leaves and the flowers soak in, or you can remove it and filter out the oil if you do not have much time on hand. You can refill the container with this new oil, infused oil that you have. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.